Hi everybody, this is Odd Samurai, and today I'm going to be reacting to the Bluebird by Ikimonogakari in the first take version. So, we all know Bluebird because, Naruto Shippuden, and by that I mean that, I didn't actually, I'm probably one of the few people that really liked anime, but before I watched Naruto Shippuden, I never actually listened to the song, which I know wild, but that is true. I've listened to both of the flow songs, opening 4, I think, of the Naruto Part 1, and then opening 6. I'd also heard, Silhouette. I'd listened to opening 17, which not many people would expect. And I think that's it. No, I also knew opening 15, Good End by Dois. So yeah, whenever I tell it to people, they're like, really? But that song was everywhere. Yeah, never heard it before I watched Naruto Shippuden. And I watched Naruto during 2020, and I think I finished it in 2021, I want to say. It's somewhere between that, but I didn't have I wasn't recording my progress on the episodes, so I don't know exactly when I finished it or when I started, but it was during 2020. So I'm not one of those that has a nostalgia isn't something that you can use for Naruto with me. But I still really like the series. That's it though. It's a different topic. We're here for this song, which is opening 3. And it has, there's technically two versions of that opening. A filler arc, and then there's a Akatsuki suppression version, which the same visuals also appear in opening 4, which is but yeah, I am curious to see if they're gonna do any changes to the way that the song goes for this, or we'll see. So yeah, let's just get started in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. Oh, Lida. Haro. 羽ばたいたら物がないと言って目指したのは青いあの空. Ooh, the beginning. No, actually, also this part feels a little different in the instrumentals. Yo, they got cellos here too? I never paid too much attention to the lyrics, so...羽ばたいたら戻らないと言って目指したのは白いあの雲飛び出てたら夢として時々ほど青いあの空青いあの空青いあの空. That's a shame. I wanted to see a harmonica player, but doesn't seem that they have one here. Never really stopped to pause and try to feel how many instruments this song has, but I didn't expect it to have this many. Ooh. I think the case might be that they just added more instruments for the first take version, but I could be wrong. Oh, okay. No, that definitely ended differently than the official one. I didn't... cute smile. I didn't think that these, the first take version, at least the way that it was sung, felt that much different from the official one. But maybe who knows? Putting them side to side, I would be like, ooh, the singer really, you know, went more strong on this particular verse. But right now, I can't tell. But you know, regardless, you know, I think this version is still, you know, why I feel like I said, you know, like 5 times in 20 seconds. What I'm trying to say is that I didn't say it during the reaction, but regardless, it's obvious that you can tell that the singer has a really, really good voice, and that she has a very, just, you know, she has some good lungs, I'll say. But yeah, there's not really much that I can add here, other than, well, it's a Naruto opening that I really, really like, and that most people think it's too overrated, but I'll stand by and say that, you know, it's something, you know, I keep doing it, that, you know, it's so popular for a good reason. And even though the lyrics doesn't seem to be too specific in regards to talking or being from a character's POV, if I had to guess, I would say it's probably from Naruto's point of view, but it feels a little too vague. Like the feelings that are trying to be transmitted doesn't necessarily have to be from his point of view. So just, I guess, you know, it could be from any character, or it could be from Shikamaru's point of view as well, since it was his arc. But yeah, I feel like it's just a general song about hope. So, if you enjoyed my reaction to this episode, to this music video, please like and subscribe. Until next time, see ya.